Okay.
Sorry.
Right. It burns. Oh no. Not already. I can't drink it too fast. It burns. Oh, I'm gonna be sick. Ooh. 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 No. Oh, that feels horrible. Wait. I can feel them.
How much you got left?
Oh, not much. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up.
Stop it.
It's making you feel a bit funny?
Yes.
I can't do it. This is horrible. I've heard you do this.
Nah, you're making me feel sick.
They just keep coming. This is the worst thing I've ever done. I give up. I'm not doing that. I feel really sensitive.
You're really hot.
I don't feel good.
A minute to decorate a gingerbread woman of yourself.
Okay.
Minute on the clock.
Guys, you're all force feeding me. It's bound to happen.
That was really good. Well. I know.
You got some gas on you, girl.
Now.
We've got some fizzy pop. Oh, wow. All right, this should help. So try and get the longest burp. I'm going to start the timer once you start your burp. Okay, here we go. Oh, he's rattled! He's rattled! Look at that, he's rattled! Oh, that was unbelievable.
I told you, it's a talent.
It is a talent. So fun. What was it like watching that?
Weird.
Yeah.
I actually thought I was that tired. I actually thought my burp was 10 seconds long.
Oh, you were amazing.
But I heard you say I round it up to 10 seconds, but I thought, wow, I did 10 seconds. So disgusting, though, isn't it?
I can't sleep due to hiccups.